Hello world, and welcome to my channel. This short video is on a couple of new additions to my Hilux suit. One is driving lights I bought off eBay for $28.27 for a pair, and a Hema HX2 which I've had for several months now to test it out. It's working fine. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers! There, the driving lights are put on there. They come with tape and screws. They're screwed in there, and there it's taped on. It cleans the surface with alcohol wipes, drill the holes through the rubber and put the cable through here. The other one is there. And I took the cable through and into here, and I had a spare switch here. This spare switch is for those lights. I can turn them on and off. This is the switch for my gauges, to turn the gauges lights on and off. This is the switch for my reversing lights, to turn them on and off when I'm camping. So they're the camping lights, and this is the high spot lights on the front. This is the the LED driving lights. They're waterproof. $28.27 for a pair off eBay. I'll put a photo up there of this and the seller information if anybody wants to buy it. But to me, they look good. You can get ones cheaper. You can get more lights if you want. They'll actually bend around like that, and they'll bend up and down in curves and angles. So, and that's what's good about them. I'm not going to show you what to do with the wiring. With LEDs you have one live wire and one earth wire. If you've got them back to front, they won't work normally. So you should know which one's which. You can hook them up to your parking lights, but I just want them to come on just the LED driving lights. And I want to be able to turn them off as well. So that's the car on with just the parkers on. They look alright like that. So that's got the headlights on low. I've changed the bulbs to blue. So they've got a little slight blue tinge to them. It's the bluest legal colour I can put on there. That's on high beam now. They're 30% brighter than the normal globes that are in them. Don't want to go any bigger than that. It's quite alright by me. The strip lights seem to modernise it a little bit, and I'm happy with the result. Don't know how long they're going to last, but they're supposed to be weatherproof. I can always pull them off and put some new ones on. They're not that expensive. This is the Hema HX2 on-road mode, off-road map and adventure maps. I find it a little bit harder to use than I'm used to. A cheap Garmin, and I have got lost once using it. There was road there, but it wasn't passable. But other than that, it's got good. It takes a bit of getting used to, but yeah, it's good. It gets me around, has snail trails and things like that you can leave and find your way around. Take photos as well. So that's my Hema HX2. I've also put in a 3 cigarette lighter and a USB outlet as well in here to run more equipment. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers.